Hello everyone, and welcome to another beautiful video. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you and showing you everything you need to know about writing your business plan. So today I want to talk about how to write a business plan, and if you stick around to the end, I'm going to be telling you about how you can get my editable business plan template. All right, so my name is Awajimam Isyoto, and as you know, if you are a regular visitor, if you are part of my subscribers, you know that I always talk about how you can do business online, how you can make money online and grow your business using the internet. All right, so if this is your first time of coming on to this channel and this is your first time of watching my video for the first time, I want to say welcome to this channel, and I am very excited to have you on this channel. So you will do me a favor, kindly do me a favor by liking this video. Just hit the thumbs up button and then you subscribe. Okay, and when you subscribe, please don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Why you're doing this is because when I put out more videos, you are going to be the first to be notified. All right, so quickly, having said that, let us jump into the video. Okay, so before we talk about business plan, right, why do you need a business plan? It is very important for you to have a business plan. Some people say you can do a business without having a business plan. Fine, you can do that, but I am telling you that without a business plan, you are going to struggle. So what are the reasons why do we need a business plan? There are so many reasons why you need a business plan, but I've just picked two because of this video. So a good business plan guides you through each stage of starting and managing your business, and that is very important. When you have a business plan, it gives you something to follow. Okay, something to look onto, something to help you manage your business. It gives you a direction. All right, it gives you a direction on how to start your business. If you check people who have business plans and people who are just running businesses, you will see there's a big difference. There's a big difference because you have something that you can follow as a guide. Then the second reason is to prove that you are serious about your business. Now let me tell you something. If you can sit down and write about your plans, it shows that you are really serious about what you want to do. So when you write your plans, when you write your business, write out what you want to achieve for your business, it helps you, gives you the opportunity for you to be able to present your business to investors. So when investors come and they see your business plan, they know that this person is actually serious about doing business. They can actually look at your plan and say, okay, wow, we can work with this person, we can partner with this person, we can even give him a loan. Okay, so these are two major reasons that I have picked for why you should have a business plan. And let me say this to you, let me add this to you, to what I've said. You do not have to be an expert to have a business plan. You don't have to go to the best schools to have a business plan. Just putting down your idea, it can be a very good way to start. But I'm making this video so that I can just give you a template of what you can do, even if you cannot pay for the service of writing a business plan. So let's just jump into that. So typically a business plan has some sections. Okay, it has up to 5. Some business plans have 5 sections, some have 6 sections, some have 7 sections, depending on how you want to break it. So let's just run through the sections right now. The first one is the industry overview. The second one is the company's message. The third one is the market analysis. The fourth one is the product and the service. The fifth one is production and delivery. The sixth one is future goals and projections. Okay, future goals and projections. So as we move forward in this slide, I'm just going to be explaining some of them, all of them for you one by one. Okay, so starting with the industry overview. What do we mean when we talk about industry overview? This session covers a complete description of everything about the business. You want to tell us a complete summary of what your business is all about. It includes things like your business name, the owners of the business, the company structure, the location of business, the mission statement, your product and service, and future projection for the business. What this means is that you're going to give us a brief summary of everything that is contained in your idea. Okay, you're going to just give us everything. It also involves your financial budgeting and everything, all the budget that you want to impute into the business, an estimate. It mustn't be like on the dots, but an estimate of what it involves to start the business. Are you getting it now? So you must have an overview of the business. This is what someone will see from the beginning of your business plan and say, okay, wow, this is what we should expect about this business. Okay, so it also involves things like your accountability charts. When we say accountability chart, we're talking about what are the roles. When you hire people, what are the roles? Do you have the CEO? Do you have the designers? Do you have the photographers? Do you have someone who will be doing the admin, the accountant? What is their responsibilities? That is where you have to just briefly summarize all of these things. And all what I've just said now is contained in the industry overview section of your business plan. Now the next part, which is the second one, is the company's message. The company's message covers all of the solutions you'll be providing, whatever your business is all about in terms of your expected results. What's unique about your business? You need to talk about that. Your mission statement, your idea of your business. This is what your company message is all about. All right. So the next one is your product and services. You should know that your business is not going to succeed if there's no product and there's no service. You need a product to sell. That is when we now say, okay, we have a business. That is when we now say people can patronize us. So you have to give us a full description of what your product and your service is. That is what you'll be doing in the section of your product and service. Also, you are going to add things like the results people are going to get when they patronize you in the business. You're going to also talk about the impact of your product and services when they use your product and service. What are the impact? You have to talk about it. Okay, this is also where you have to describe what your product looks like, what your services look like. Okay, if your services are it involves consultancy, if your services involve handling clients by calls, by meeting them and all of that, you have to talk about everything, all of the packages, all of the additional services. You have to talk about it in the product and services session. Okay, so there are many other things you need to talk about. So let's look at the next one, which is your market analysis. In the market analysis session, you are going to be talking about a full description of how you will market your product, how you will sell your product. It also covers things like your target market, your customer avatar. Who are the people that will buy from you? Who are they? Your customer avatar means who are they? What is their demographics? Maybe the English I'm talking about now is too big. What is their age? Who are they? Are they males? Is your business targeted at males or female only? What's their age? Are they working class persons? What's their interest? What do they actually like? Where are they located? These are the things that your market analysis session will be dealing with. Okay, another thing we'll also talk about is your marketing strategy. How would you reach out to them? How would they discover your products? How would they discover your business? So this is what marketing analysis is all about. Okay, you have to really analyze that. Also, before I move on to this one, you have to talk about pricing too. Okay, Pricing is also important when it comes to your marketing strategy. Your promotional strategy is also very important. Would you be running adverts? Would you be doing word of mouth? Would you be doing TV, billboard, flyers? How are you going to do it? That is what your marketing analysis session will cover. Okay, now the next one is production and delivery. How would you produce? This session will cover everything about how you will produce and how you offer your services. It will also involve what? Your equipment, your tools required to deliver your services to your customers. Okay, so under the production and delivery, we also cover things like the budget that is involved in starting your business. How much will it cost to produce? How much will it cost to offer that service? How much will it cost for you to get equipment? This is all the things that you are going to be putting in this session. How customers are going to find you. How will they place order? Are they going to make a call? Are they going to text you on phone? Are they going to send an email to you? You have to make sure that you put all of this in place. How will they make payments? Will they be paying you by cash? Will they be paying you with a check? Will they be paying you by transfer? So you have to make sure that all of this is what you will have in your production and delivery. How would you deliver? By the time they finish paying, when they pay for your products, how would you deliver? You have to also put that in this session of production and delivery. Okay, so the last one is your future goals and projection. In this session, you just want to talk about what your future plans will look like for the business. You don't want to start a business that will just end after 6 months. No, you want to have a projection, a vision for the business in terms of growth, in terms of your finances, in terms of number of sales, in terms of the development of your business. Okay, if you're just starting out, there's no need to have this. If you don't have an idea of what you want your company to look like, there is no problem. Just make sure it is just simple. Okay, so these are all of what your business plan should look like. This is how you can write your business plan. All right, now you may not be able to put this in order. Just as I've said it right now, you may not be able to put this in order. That's why I said this is just a guide. Okay, this is just a guide for you to write yours. If you don't have the money, if you cannot afford to pay someone to do it for you, now the good news about this is I have created a template that you can work with. Okay, I've created a template that you can work with, so you don't need to. If you cannot afford the money to pay, you do not have to worry about it. Just go to the description section, go to the link in the description. I will drop a link there that you can use to get an editable template that you can use for any kind of business that you want to start. All right, that is just for $2. All right, just for $2 you're going to get everything downloaded, and once you download it, you can edit it to your tastes. All right, if you got value from this video, this is what it is. If you got value from this video, kindly like this video and subscribe to this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that when I put out more videos, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you so much. It's been a beautiful time with you on this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.